open the Chrome browser. I open the browser, click this app icon of the right side corner and scroll down. You will see here many other services of Google. Play Store, Gmail, Google Drive, Photos and many more services of the Google. We have to create our resume, so let's click on Google Document option. By clicking Google Document, you will be directed to Google Document interface and you will get many templates of the resume. I will choose this template. By choosing the template, you will be directed on the editing interface of the resume. Now let's edit the template. For example, I edit the name and replace it by John Bumrah. I write here John Bumrah as the candidate name. By editing the name section, now we can edit the skill section. Now we can edit the section of skill. We can write as our choice and add as our choice. In this way, we can edit and add all the section of our resume. And after making the resume, we can download our resume and forward it on your backend scene. If you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Digital Brain. For more useful guides, please subscribe to our channel.